In the past few years, it has been known that there is a company called Global Internet Fortunes. So many people are asking and want to know how to make money with Global Internet Fortunes without actually referring people to the business. I've taken my time so that I can explain to you guys in details. If that's why you clicked on this video and that's what interests you, then let's ride on. But it's this way. I don't know. Let's jump in. Global Internet Fortunes is a limited company incorporated in Kenya. Most people know it with its network marketing referral plan. It has been a little bit popular. Let me say a little bit because it's not so popular. Aside the referral marketing plan, there is services that Global Internet Fortunes offer. What separates a network marketing company and an MLM, that is a multi-level marketing company, is their pay plan and the services that they offer. Okay, most of the MLMs do not provide services, and network marketing companies, they provide services or products. In Global Internet Fortunes, when it comes to their services, they offer blogs. They do not offer products like AIM Global. I hope you guys have heard about AIM Global. AIM Global offer products for weight loss, for skin, for I don't know, so many things. Global Internet Fortunes provide online services, and all of us know that nowadays people working online and making money from home is becoming also very popular. So with this, it is enabling the company to grow with it. And these services include blogs, they include web hosting services, email marketing services, website, and also e-commerce. It is not an MLM company. It is only providing services online. If your upline does not explain that to you, then they should. So what can you do with a blog, or what can you do with a website? Ask yourself that question before I answer it for you. What you can do with your website is you can advertise your business. There are so many videos on YouTube on how you can customize your website, and it is all about the effort that you put into the business. That effort is what will give you the results that you want, and that is more money. So you should customize your website as fast as possible. Make sure that your upline shows you how to customize your website, or do your own research and do your due diligence by going up on YouTube or so many platforms and finding on how you can customize your website so that you can start making money from ads. So the next thing you can do with a website is to build your brand, obviously, and that is by posting about the things that you're passionate about and you know will add more value to someone else. Let me say you like talking about natural hair or skin or whatever, so you can talk about that in your website, and that one is actually trying to build a brand. And then when you accumulate a good number of following, most of the brands will try to reach out so that they can collaborate in order for them to get a little bit of your audience attention so that they can make sales. People also love writing, academic writing, poetry, things like that. Those are things that you can do on your website. I'm just giving you guys ideas of how you can use your GIF websites to make money aside the referral marketing plan. I'm aware of people doing drop servicing, having a website whereby if someone wants to do something, they can come to that website. For example, I want an online writer. I know your website. I can go to your website and hire an online writer. Period. Let me say I need a graphic designer. I can go to your website and get a graphic designer. You are the contact between me and the graphic designer that I want. Maybe I have an article that is not edited well and I need someone who can work on it. And I already know about your website, or a friend told me about your website. You'll be the person who will be reaching out to the editor, giving the editor my work, and then you give me the feedback of my work by giving me an already edited article. So that one is just about drop servicing. I have people who can do the job, so why not? You know, you need to The next thing that you can do with GIF services is being an affiliate. So you guys have heard about Jumia, Kilimall, Amazon, you've heard about eBay. There's so many. You just need a laptop and a running website. That is all you need to be an affiliate of Jumia. I don't know whether they upgraded, but I'm not really sure. Amazon, you need to meet some requirements. Like you need to make 3 sales within 60 days, within 90 days. If you check my description box, you will see Amazon links. I think I've shared enough for you guys to be able to make money through GIF services. I call it GIF because it's the easiest term. I hope you guys will be able to use your websites and also earn money from the referral marketing plan as well. Guys, I hope you'll have an amazing hour, an amazing day, an amazing week, an amazing night, an amazing month, and I'll see you guys next time. So bye. I'm forgetting, make sure you like this video if you got a ton of information from it, so that it can reach to so many people, and that helps me out with the algorithm as well. And you can also subscribe down below if you'd like to see more videos on network marketing, making money online. Ring the bell so that you don't miss my next upload, and I guess I'll see you guys obviously next time. So bye.